the art of paintless dent repair. Absolutely no painting. Removing dents smoothly and effortlessly. Keeping your factory finish like it was never there. From small dents to large dents, we are your hail damage specialists. This is the best repair for your vehicle. And no worries of paint matching, because no bondos and no fillers. Stretching metal back to shape. Blending metal back to the original shape. Keeping the true value of your vehicle. Best repair for your car. With a flawless repair and no more dents. A little light sanding for the light scratches and bringing back that shine. And now we have a repair like it was never there. Angelo Dent Removal would like to thank you for watching the video, and please give us a thumbs up.